Hey everyone, Naomi here. I'm here to share with you my third favourite thing about the Rapid Reno Mate app, and that is the fact that when you sign into the app, and in fact it's the actual reason that we get you to sign into the app, when you sign into the app, we're then able to customize it exactly for you, in the sense that once you've done all your project planning and you've got all your data in there and you're at the point where you want tied down specific quotes, or you may want to order straight in the middle, straight through the app, straight out to one of the amazing suppliers. You may literally have your paint supplies. I mean, not only the paints, but the paintbrushes and the masking tape and everything you need. You might have all of that inside the app. And by having signed in, by us having your email inside there, we're actually able to facilitate you with one press of a button to get that order out to that supplier and have them come straight back to you with a specific costing and when you can pick your order up. So that is my third favorite thing. And if you want to know more about how you can order supplies through the app, once you're inside the app, again, go to the bottom right, click the More button, go into RRM Help, and you will see a pile of how-to videos there. So get on, plan your dream renovation, or start to literally plan out the one you're about to do. Enjoy.